Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Seashell Display Clock in Heartopia Color Wheels event. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to unlock the recipe right here. Go to the collection and click on Ocean Cleanup. And here you will see your seashell collection. And we can use the seashell to craft a furniture. Okay, you're going to claim the recipe here guys. This is for the seashell display clock, and if you want to get this recipe you need to reach level 20. So keep collecting these seashells by doing the ocean cleanup hobby, then you will be able to unlock this recipe. Okay, now I'm gonna make it. So I'm gonna go to my workbench, and this is the recipe, this one. Wow, that's pretty cool. And we need the flawless fluorite and seashell and also pearl. Okay, I'm gonna make it guys. Alright, I've just made the seashell display clock, and that's very pretty. Oh my god. Okay guys, and that's how you can make the seashell display clock in Heartopia Colorful event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.